There's a lot of different pathways. The industrial umbrella is everything from electrical, welding, just being a line mechanic, heating and air, programming, engineering. We touch on virtually everything because when we say industrial, we're talking about any field out there that uses any kind of automation. Well, we are very much project-based, which hopefully my students will be able to tell you. Our first year is a lot of residential work. So they do everything from wire all the circuits you're going to see in a home or a hotel or a hospital to building a small house, wiring that, wiring a breaker box. We do things like sweating copper pipe for plumbing, gluing PVC. A lot of those residential things are covered the first year. Second year, it's three-phase power. So my students move from the residential and commercial sector to the industrial sector. And that time, they learn how to make these factories run and work and control automation. Currently, the third year, they go into programming, which is what my students are doing right now. They program industrial computers to handle these automated processes. Now on top of that, we also have a little heating and air, we've got welding, we've got construction, we even pour a little concrete just to say that the students have done it and they've got experience. Not only do we touch on an in-demand set of trades, which is welding, electrical, blueprint reading, computer programming, but what we're showing these kids is how to go out there and get a real job that they could have tomorrow and that will make a living wage as soon as they start.
It's a wonderful course. There's a whole variety of things you can do. You just have a lot of fun working with your hands.
I've learned different ways to power like motors, power solenoids, how you have to have certain relays to get stuff done. Just different electrical components. Just the way it works, the way everything has a purpose, and how they're all like use multiple things to control one thing.
Come in curious. Whenever you come into the class, curiosity and drive will help a lot. There's a lot to cover. This field is massive. And if you are curious and if you are driven, you'll always do just a little bit better. And that'll serve you not only in school, that'll serve you when all of this is over and out there in industry in any field. Being driven, wanting to do a good job, wanting to learn everything you can, that really will be a big benefit.